Welcome to the Comm Systems channel, your trusted source for expert insights on structured cabling, fiber, optics, and advanced communication technology. Today, we're exploring an important topic: how fiber optic cables resist data corruption, keeping your business communications fast, reliable, and secure. Unlike traditional copper cabling, which transmits data using electrical signals, fiber optic cables use light to transfer information. This means that electromagnetic interference, one of the biggest causes of data corruption in copper cables, simply doesn't affect fiber optics. Whether your cables run near heavy machinery, radio equipment, or power lines, fiber maintains pure, distortion-free data transmission. With copper, nearby electrical noise can cause signal degradation, crosstalk, or data loss. Over long distances, these effects multiply, leading to slower speeds and unreliable connections. Fiber optics, however, are immune to electromagnetic and radio frequency interference. Their glass cores carry data as light pulses, preserving integrity even across miles of transmission. Another key advantage is low attenuation and superior bandwidth. Because light travels with minimal resistance, fiber networks deliver consistent performance even in harsh environments or weather conditions. At Comm Systems, we design and install fiber optic networks that meet the strictest TIA and IEEE standards, ensuring your data remains accurate, confidential, and uncompromised. In today's digital world, from financial institutions and healthcare facilities to smart buildings, data integrity is non-negotiable. Fiber optics provide the secure backbone that modern infrastructures rely on for cloud computing, VoIP, and high-definition video surveillance. By minimizing data errors and corruption risks, fiber ensures that your critical systems operate with speed, precision, and confidence. Thank you for watching this informative story on fiber optic cables and their resistance to data corruption. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more insights from Comm Systems, your partner in professional cabling and communication solutions. Call us today at 888-501-5885 or visit us online at www.dvcsny.com.